In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a rejected Facebook ads bug in just 5 minutes. Let's dive in right away and get your ads up and running smoothly. To start, open your browser and head over to Google. Type in Facebook Ads Manager and click on the official link to ensure you're navigating to the right place. Once there, look for the Go to Ads Manager button. Clicking this will lead you directly into the world of your Facebook advertising needs. When you arrive at the login page, enter your email ID and password. If you're using the same browser regularly, this should be second nature. Ensure your credentials are correct to avoid any login hiccups. After entering your details, simply click the Login button. This will take you straight to your Ads Manager dashboard. Once you're in your dashboard, turn your attention to the menu and select the Campaigns dashboard. This is the nerve center of your advertising operations. With a clear view of your campaigns, navigate to the ads level. This is crucial because all the action happens at this stage. Now look for the ads that seem to have that pesky bug issue. It's usually identifiable with a rejected status or a specific error message. Select these ads to start the fix. Now here's a simple trick that often resolves the issue. Turn the problematic ads off, wait a few seconds, and then turn them back on. It's kind of like restarting your computer. It can solve many mysterious problems. If turning your ads off and on doesn't quite do the trick, there is another option you can try. You can edit the ads to ensure they fully comply with Facebook's advertising policies. Update any content that might be questionable, check image sizes, or tweak the text. Once you've made your adjustments, resubmit the ad for review. However, if after these steps you still believe that the rejection is a genuine error, Facebook offers an option to request a manual review. Look for the Request Review option in your Ads Manager. Provide additional context if needed, and their team should take another look at your ad. Finally, if you're unable or unwilling to edit the rejected ad and you need a quick solution, you have the option to create a new ad altogether. Sometimes starting fresh can bypass unforeseen issues, and with the steps you've just learned, you can ensure the new ad sails smoothly through the review process. And there you have it, a straightforward method to fix rejected Facebook ads. Just follow these steps and you'll be up and running in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy troubleshooting guides like this one. See you in the next video.